Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a Thrive Market haul. I have this gigantic box of goodies from Thrive. I made a very large order, I want to say last week. Why did I order? I think I had like a 10% off site-wide, which isn't like a huge thing, but there was a ton of stuff I needed, like vitamins I was totally out of. I've been waiting until 2018 to order vitamins because I think my naturopath can like write a thing so that I can get reimbursed by the FSA. So yeah, I was like out of a ton of stuff. Anywho, let's get into my unboxing. So first off, I've got a couple products from Weleda. So I have the Skin Food and the Renewing Night Cream. Now, I love the Renewing Night Cream for at night. I was out of that for a while, so I actually was using the Skin Food like as my night moisturizer because it was so dry here for a couple weeks. I mean, it's still dry, but it was like -20, -30, like with the wind chill in Wisconsin. So yeah, this was totally appropriate for my entire face. That stuff is super, super, super rich. Like, I probably used Skin Food, started using it like 5 years ago, but I was only using it as a hand cream, and I thought it was crazy to use it as a face cream. No longer. Love it. Also, the Wild Rose night cream. I love this stuff, but this is such a small little jar, small little tube, so I just run out of it so quickly, but love it. And the price on Thrive is really good. All right, so first up in the vitamins, I ordered 2 of these Women's One Daily. I ordered 2 because Thrive has like a little bundle pack, and the savings, if you order 2, was really, really, really good. Each of these has 90. I take 1 of these every day at noon. Yeah, so far really happy with that multivitamin. And then also from this brand, Mega Food, I got their Blood Builder. I've had issues with iron in my blood for a really long time, so I do take one of these. I like it. And I believe these are all from like the Multi and the Blood Builder. These are all from like real food sources. Anyway, really like those. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the Multi reimbursed by the FSA, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get the Blood Builder. All right, next up, I have a calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D supplement. This is from the brand Country Life. I take 2 of these at night. My husband also takes this. So this has, for every 4 of these, it has 1,000 milligrams calcium, 500 milligrams magnesium, 400 D. So exciting, all my supplements. All right, so I believe that is it for supplements. Now we can move on to food. These Divina organic green olives are amazing. These are so good, but I have to say, a couple Thrive Market orders ago, they sent me this product that like it said Divina organic pitted green olives, but it was not this packaging, and they tasted so different. So this is the only one I can recommend for the Divina organic green olives, because there is another one, but it tastes so funky, and it's just, ugh. So actually I think I had ordered 3 of those from Thrive Market, and I contacted customer service, and I'm just like, I'm gonna give the other 2 away. They're like so gross. And they reimbursed me for all 3 of them. So that was cool. So Thrive does have really good customer service. Next, I got some teas. I think I have 3 things of tea. I have 2 teas from Yogi Tea. I have their Detox. What's in this one? Oh, all sorts of stuff. Have I had this one? I can't remember if I've had this one. Yeah, I've had the Detox one, and I also got the Roasted Dandelion Spice Detox. You know, because we can always use a good detox. I also picked up this one from Gaia. This is their Cleanse and Detox Tea. This stuff will make you poop, let me tell you. But not like if you took like the Smooth Move tea. This stuff, it's nice. I definitely feel like it does its job. And I like the taste too. Okay, next is probably like my favorite product I get at Thrive Market, but I don't order it a lot because I would eat it way too much. These Eating Evolved coconut butter cups are amazing. I love the plain and then also the mint. These are the mint ones. They do have the caramel one and I think banana cream. I don't know. I've never tried that one. I have tried the caramel one. That one's good. But the mint and the original are my favorite, but I only ordered the mint. Gotta calm down with my favorite chocolate. Next, I have a tube of toothpaste from Dr. Bronner's. So this is their fluoride-free toothpaste. I've not tried the peppermint one yet. I have the cinnamon one and the anise one, and I like both of those. One of my girlfriends uses the peppermint one, and she said this one's really good, so I wanted to try it. But I will be doing a review on like fluoride-free toothpaste, or maybe just a review on like the Dr. Bronner's one. I've been trying like so many fluoride-free toothpastes, but so far I really like these. Just haven't tried the mint one yet. All right, next I have some cough drops by the brand Quantum Health. These are their TheraSync Zinc lozenges, blood orange flavor. I have these in their lemon flavor. I think they have Myers lemon honey flavor. I can't remember, but I thought it would be good to have just some of those in case I do get a sore throat issue this winter. Next, I have some more chocolate. These are from Enjoy Life. These are the dark chocolate chips, dark chocolate morsels, and these are the semi-sweet mega chunks. Dark chocolate morsels are great, and I'm actually gonna try the semi-sweet ones right now because I've never had these, and I hope they're good. Okay, so they look like that. They're good. Yeah, they taste like normal semi-sweet chips, but this brand Enjoy Life, they don't have, it's like no dairy, no nuts, no soy, no gluten, no wheat, no dairy, peanuts, tree nuts, egg nuts, soy fish, shellfish. These are good, but I definitely prefer the dark chocolate just because I'm more of a dark chocolate person. These are a little bit sweet, but I think like baked into something, they'd be very good. Oh my gosh, I forgot what I ordered. I ordered so much. I have all these surprises in here. Okay, next I have 2 cans of tuna. This is from the brand Safe Catch Elite. This is their solid white tuna steak. Really like this. I've started eating more like fancy tuna. Like I like this brand Safe Catch, and then there's Wild Planet, and the Thrive Market brand is pretty good too. So this is their chunklate, like the skipjack. I don't know, I'm not the biggest albacore tuna person. All right, and finally I have this little Himalayan salt shaker and black pepper shaker duo. This was super cheap, and I've been meaning to get one of these just to have for like if I'm traveling or like have to pack a lunch or something, because I like to have my pink Himalayan salt with me. All right, so there you go. That is what I picked up during my Thrive Market haul. I love Thrive Market. I order most of my non-perishables from there, and about half of my supplements from there. I used to get a lot of stuff from iHerb. Now I basically get anything I would get from iHerb. They have most of it at Thrive Market. And then my other supplements I actually just buy directly from my naturopath. Also, I will have a link down below for, I believe, 25% off of Thrive Market in case you are interested. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!